Okay, Cheat Engine Tutorial 2, Step 3. In this tutorial, we are supposed to find the value, pretty much unknown value. We are not given the value of this tutorial, but they're saying that the value is somewhere between 0 and 500. So how to find the value that we don't know? We have a bar here, green, that every time we click on a hit me, this bar will lose some health or whatever it is. So how to find unknown value? Well, on the cheat engine here, under scan type, you have exact value. This you have to change it to an unknown initial value. Watch. That's pretty much the last one, unknown initial value. As you can see, I no longer can type in any values since it's not looking for exact value, it's looking for unknown initial value, something that we don't know of the value. Okay, and the next step is to first scan for the unknown initial value, and then we have a huge number found, 537,600 values, unknown values. Now how to filter all these values to find this one? Well, our next step is to click on hit me. Alright, so we're clicking on hit me for the first time, and as you saw, it only took like a second, 2 seconds. It says -2. That's how much we lost, -2 of health or point or whatever it is. Now under exact value, we're gonna have to open this up, option, and find the decreased value and click on that to find the value of this. Since we lost -2, you can actually go under exact value and type in no, actually no, I cannot do that at this point. Okay, so under exact value, find the option decreased value and click on that. Decreased value. After that, click on next scan. Now we found 1,453, so it's much better now. We used to have what, 500,000, over 500,000. Now it's 1,000. Now we have to filter this much more. I mean, there's no way that we can find this value throughout all these thousands of addresses. So the next step is go back to tutorial and click on hit me again, and lost some health again. So since I have this as selected under decreased value, I'm just gonna keep on clicking on next scan. Now we added it down to 55 addresses that decreased in value. I'm gonna go and click on hit me again, and since still the scan type is selected under decreased value, I'm just going to click on next again. Scan next. Now it's 24. Now watch these addresses. They keep changing. Now we know that this value changes only when we click on hit me. But for some reason these values change pretty much out of no reason. So how to filter these? Well, I'm going to show you a quick trick how to filter these real quick. Under scan type, decreased value, look for unchanged value. Okay, I'm going to repeat again, unchanged value. But don't click on hit me yet. Okay, so because if you do click on hit me and then you go under unchanged value and then click next, then you're going to lose this value. Since right now we're not clicking on hit me, so the value at this point is not being changed anymore. So we want to filter these addresses, and they're garbage. So unchanged value, click on next. Now from 24 we drop down to 14. Let's see if any of them keep changing. They're not changing. Okay, so we're gonna go back on the scan type and choose an option of decreased value. Now it's set, decreased value is set. Now go back to tutorial and click on hit me again. Now at this point we lost some value to it. Since we have it under decreased value, click on next scan. And now I get 8 addresses found. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on hit me again, but while I click on hit me again, I'm gonna keep eye on these addresses. Since I only have 8, so I can pretty much determine which one it is the right address once I click on hit me. Okay, so I'm guessing it's this one, so I'm gonna keep eye on this one the most. Yep, so I lost 4 points here, and this address also lost 4 points. Okay, so I'm betting it's this one, this address right here. So in the previous tutorial I showed you how to bring this address down here is double click on it. So the next step is to double click on it. Okay, now what do you have to do here? Well, I forgot what you have to do here. How much you have to change to what value you have to. Okay, so it's here. Once you find the value of it, you're supposed to change it to 5,000. Okay, alright, so here's the value, 216. Double click on it and change it to 5,000. Okay, and the button next showed up. Still our bar is down from all the clicking hit on me. So I'm gonna click hit me again to bring this bar, to fill it up. Okay, as you can see, I'm messing up here. Bar has been filled up. I still have the next button opened up to proceed to the next step. Thank you for watching step 3, tutorial number 2.